Don't try to become a person of success, rather try to become a person of value. Good afternoon, respected teachers, parents, and my fellow friends. It's me, Swexa Shrestha from grade 9 of this school. I am here to very proud because I am here to share my presentation. This presentation is a small effort to share what we have learned and how we have grown. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. So let's begin. Our school is not just a place where we study. It is the foundation of our life. It is the first step where we learn to read, to write, to behave, and to dream. School sets our thoughts, builds our character, and teaches us how to live with purpose and discipline. It plays a vital role in preparing us to become responsible citizens and successful individuals. School is like our second home. We make friends, learn from inspiring teachers, and celebrate small achievements that push us to dream big. From school, the journey begins towards becoming doctors, engineers, teachers, scientists, leaders, and more. It is the place where our hopes take shape and our future begins to form. My school name is Sri Navapratibha English Secondary Boarding School. It is a well-known educational institution located at Bakunde Besi, Namabuddha 7 Kabri. It was established in 2033 BS with the aim of providing quality education to students in a caring and disciplined way. Since its beginning, the school has been working to build a strong foundation for students in both academic learning and personal development. The director or mentor of this school is Santosh Adhikari and managing director is Rita Sindel. The principal of this school is Vivek Kumar Taman and vice principal is Mohan Kharka. The name Nama Pratibha means new talent, which clearly shows the version of the school to discover and grow the talent hidden in every student. Hearing the name of this school gives a feeling of hope, learning and progress. The school runs classes from playgroup to class 10 and it has around 33 staff members including skilled and friendly teachers. The teachers not only teach lessons from books but also help students with discipline, confidence, respect and positive thinking. The school believes in child-centered learning and always encourages students to ask questions, think creatively and do their best. To support modern education, the school has a well-equipped computer lab where students learn computer knowledge and how to use technology in learning. A science lab is also there to help students understand science in a more practical and interesting way. For transportation, the school provides two school buses to help students from nearby areas come to school easily and safely. Along with classroom learning, the school also gives equal importance to extracurricular activities such as sports, music, dance, quiz contest, speech competition and celebration of national and cultural events. These activities help students become more confident, social and creative. The school environment is peaceful and clean. The school also teaches values like honesty, respect, teamwork and kindness. In conclusion, Sri Rama Pratibha English Secondary School is not just a school. It is a place where dream begins. It helps students build knowledge, develop good character and prepare for a bright future. The school continues to improve every year and aims to provide smart, responsible and successful citizens our tomorrow's world. Now I would like to introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself as Soiksha Shrestha. I am 14 years old. I study in Sri Navapratibha English Secondary School in class 9. I live with a strong sense of purpose and determination, always aiming to improve myself in every possible way. I love to read stories, listening to music, and sometimes dancing when I am in a joyful mood. I always try to balance my studies with my hobbies so I can stay both focused and creative. I am someone who values honesty, kindness, and hard work. I believe that every day is a new opportunity to learn something meaningful and grow as a person. I live in a loving and a supporting family of four. This is my father. My father name is Ramdas Shrestha. He is a teacher by his profession and a very calm, wise and knowledgeable person. In his free times, he watches educational documentaries. He always encourages me to study sincerely and supports me in every stage of my learning journey. This is my mother. My mother name is Ishwari Shrestha. She is a housewife and heart of our family. Though she is not involved in a job outside the home, she works selflessly every day to keep our house filled with love, care, and warmth. She keeps the home organized and peaceful. Her love and guidance and discipline have helped me to become who I am today. And this is my brother. I also have an elder brother named Anmol Shrestha. He has recently completed grade 11 and preparing to join grade 12. He enjoys listening to music and exploring new technologies. He is someone who I look up to and I feel lucky to have him as my big brother. My family is my greatest source of strength, inspiration and happiness. With their constant support and love, I hope to make them proud by achieving my dreams and becoming a good student. This school's contributions. A school is not just a place where we read books and give exams. It is where our journey begins. For me, Sri Navapratibha English Secondary School is that special place which has shaped me into who I am today. Before coming to this school, I was an ordinary student, unsure of myself and afraid to speak up. But with the support of my teachers, I slowly started to believe in myself. Today, I can stand with confidence, ask questions, and speak in front of my class. That courage came from this school. This school taught me more than just English, math, and science. It taught me discipline, honesty, and kindness. It helped me to understand the importance of respecting others, being on time, and helping friends when they are in need. Through various activities like sports, dance, speech, and quiz, I discovered that I have talents too. My teachers always encouraged me to try new things and never give up. That support changed the way I see myself. Also, the peaceful environment, friendly teachers, and caring friends make this school feel like a second home to me. I have learned how to work in a team, how to stay calm in tough situations, and how to stay hopeful about my future. To me, this school is more than just a building. It is a place that gives me knowledge, confidence, values, and dreams. I will forever be thankful to my teachers and my schools for the love, care, and lessons they have shared me. How I am going to make my parents and school proud. Every child dreams of making their parents and school proud. I also have those same dreams. My parents parents are the ones who love and care for me every day. And my school is the place where I learn, grow and build my future. They both have played a big role in my life, and now I want to give something back by doing my best in every way. To make my parents and school proud, the first thing I will do is focus on my education. I know that my parents work hard just so I can study in a good school, like and have a better future. So I will take my studies seriously. I will listen to my teachers, complete my homework on time, and always try to improve myself. Even when it gets difficult, I will not give up. I will study not just to get good marks, but to truly understand and learn. Secondly, I want to grow up to be a kind, respectful, and honest person. My school has taught me how important discipline, manners, and values are. I will respect my teachers, friends, and elders. I will help others be polite and make people around me feel respected and safe. These are the things that make a person truly great. I will also take part in extracurricular activities like sports, art, speech, quiz, and cultural programs. These things help me find my talents and become more confident. I want to represent my school in such events and bring pride to its name. At home, I will support my parents in small ways. I will be obedient, listen to their advice, and help them with household tasks when I can. I want them to feel proud of the way I act, not just of what I achieve. In the future, when I succeed in life, I want to say it proudly. I'm here because of my parents and my school. That will be the best gift I can give them. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Thank you for your time, attention, and support. Thank you.
गर्मी छ, पसिना पसिना छौँ, तर मलाई शीतल लागिराखेको छ। आज एउटा सपना थियो, पुरा हुँदै हुँदै गरेको छ। सपना पुरा हुँदाबाट सफल मिल्दो रहेछ, तपाईँहरूलाई पनि मिल्यो भन्ने आशा गरेको छु। सुरु गर्नुभएको थियो, जीवनमा सफल मान्छे होइन असल मान्छे बन्नुहोस् भनेर उहाँले। र जीवनमा म सफल बन्ने त त्यसमा डाउटै छैन, शङ्कै छैन। र म सफल बने भने मैले सम्मान गर्ने र हृदयमा राख्ने दुईवटा व्यक्तित्व र वस्तुहरूमा एउटा विद्यालय परिवार, एउटा मेरो परिवार छ भन्नुभएको छ। अनि विद्यालयले मलाई सबैभन्दा धेरै चरित्र निर्माणमा सहयोग पुर्याएको छ। चरित्र ठुलो हो भन्ने कुरा मलाई सम्झाएको छ भन्नुभएको छ। जिम्मेवार नागरिक हुन र सफल व्यक्ति हुनु त छँदैछ, तर असल व्यक्ति हुनु छ मलाई त भन्नुभएको छ। आशा सपना देखाउँदै मलाई भविष्य निर्माणको गर्वदेखि लिएर उपलब्धिसम्म प्रगतितर्फ उन्मुख गर्न यो विद्यालयको ठुलो योगदान रहन्छ भन्नुभएको छ। र यो विद्यालयमा दक्ष, अनुभवी र दयालु शिक्षकहरू हुनुहुन्छ भनेर पनि भन्नुभएको छ। अनि आई लभ द्याट, आई टेक द्याट अप्रिसिएसन। दया करुणालाई जित्ने अरू केही पनि छैन। विद्यार्थीलाई केन्द्रमा राखेर अध्यापन गराउने विद्यालयको कल्चर छ भन्नुभयो। त्यो एकदमै सही कुरा भन्नुभयो, किनकि विद्यालयको मुटु भनेकै विद्यार्थी हो र विद्यार्थी पठाउने अभिभावक त्योभन्दा पनि ठुलो मुटु हुनुहुन्छ, डबल मुटु। उहाँहरूको लागि म एकदमै आभार प्रकट गर्छु। र सामाजिकीकरण, इमान्दारिता र सम्मान सबै उपलब्ध मलाई विद्यालयले सिकाउनेछ। मेहनती व्यक्तित्व हुँदै आदर्श जीवन जिउन पनि विद्यालयले सिकाउनेछ। यसको लागि म आभारी छु भन्नुभएको छ। मलाई चाहिँ भरोसा छ। तपाईँहरूलाई के छ सोच्नुहोस् है। मलाई चाहिँ भरोसा छ तपाईँहरूमाथि, किनकि आम यो टिचर होइन। मिस्टेक्स दुईटा कुरा हुन्छ अरे जीवनमा। जसले गल्ती गर्दै गर्दैन त्यसले सिक्दैन अरे, अनि जसले गल्ती दोहोऱ्याइरहन्छ नि त्यसले पनि सिक्दैन। सो तपाईँ सोच्नुहोस्, पहिलोचोटि आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ, गल्ती भयो भने पनि हामी मिस्टेक्स नेक्स्ट टाइम त्यसलाई हामी करेक्सन गर्छौँ भनेर हिम्मत लिएर आउनु होला। त्योभन्दा अगाडि छोरीले धेरै कुरा भनेर जानुभयो आमालाई साक्षी राखेर। अब आमाले छोरीलाई साक्षी राखेर के भन्नुहुन्छ त्यो पनि अलिकति सुनिहाल्नु।
पहिला नमस्कार। अनि छोरीले भनेको मेरो अङ्गै छ।
मन खुसी भयो
अझ राम्रो हुँदै जाओस् भन्न चाहन्छु।
आज देख्न पाइयो यो ठुलो हलमा यस्तो बनाएर भरे युट्युबमै हेर्ने हो होइन
यति नै हुन्छ, के गर्नु?
होइन हेर्ने हो।
राम्रो हुँदै जाओस्, हजुर प्रगति गर्दै जानु।
खुसी लाग्यो।
खुसी लाग्यो।
हस्। अनि छोरीलाई जीवनमा एकदमै कहिलेकाहीँ चाहिँ हजुरआमाको रिक्सुटा महसुस हुन्छ है हजुरआमाले अत्यन्त प्रेम गर्नुहुन्थ्यो अरे हजुरआमासँग हुर्केको थियो अरे होइन कहिलेकाहीँ त्यस्तो छ
हजुरआमा नभएपछि आमासँग आमाले छोड्नै पाएन।
होइन त्यो गर्नु होला त्यो भएर कहिलेकाहीँ हुन्छ कि भाइ बहिनी आफूले बुझ्नुपर्छ नजिकै बसेर कुराहरू सुनिदिनु
हजुरबा हजुरआमा
त्यो रिक्स त हामी सबैलाई हुन्छ कि केही न केही हुन्छ त्यही भएर भावनाहरूलाई बुझ्ने कोसिस गर्नु है आफ्नो
राम्रो
छोराछोरीहरू
छ,
सुनिदिनु होला
अझ राम्रो गर्दै जानु छोरीलाई।
हस्
के भन्नु?
आमाको आशीर्वाद सधैँ छ छोरी छोरीले
धन्यवाद। अब मैले